Good morning, everybody. I hope everyone's having a good Friday. Today we are gonna be installing this. It's not for my car, it's for my stepdad's car. I hope he doesn't get mad that I'm installing this right now without him, but I'm pretty sure he's gonna be more hyped than mad. But if you guys didn't know, my stepdad got new wheels. I posted it on Snapchat. I didn't really make a video on it, so if you guys want to follow me on Snapchat, it'll be right here. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this on, and when I open it, I'll show you guys what we have. I should have honestly opened this when it came because I don't know if there's anything wrong with it, but I'm pretty sure it's not because it's not really a big piece where it breaks easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and I'll show you guys here in a minute. I can open it in one hand. Damn, this has to be the strongest tape in the world. Alright, I got it finally open. There was so many tape, but what's cool is it came with its own 3M tape. I thought I was going to use mine, but I guess I can use mine because it's fatter, and I'll use this for the sides. But we got, if I can take it out. Hold on, I'm going to have to drop the camera. Alright, damn, this looks sick, Robert. Alright, it's going to look sick. I'll show you guys what it's going to look like. Ooh, that's gonna look sick. It's gonna be like that. It fits. All right. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the plastic and mock it up and see how it looks. All right, so I went ahead and mocked it up. It's gonna look sick. I can already tell it's gonna look sick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some 3M tape on this to make sure it holds, and I'll pick you guys up in a minute. All right, so I put a whole bunch of 3M tape on the wing just to make sure it doesn't fall off while he's driving. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on, and hopefully it looks good because I'm super nervous because this car is very expensive and I don't want to fuck anything up. So yeah, wish me luck, and I'll show you guys here in a minute what it looks like. Sick. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like. I haven't taped it on there yet. I'm just mocking it up right now, but that's how it should look. Everything's even. Yup. It's gonna look sick. All right, it's on there. It looks pretty sick. Test. Good. All right, Robert, if you see this video, I made sure everything was good. I made sure it won't fall. I made sure not to scratch your car, so don't get mad. I probably won't even post this video until he gets home and sees this because I don't want him like looking on because I know he watches my YouTube and I don't want him to see that I installed this before he gets home. It's more of like a surprise for him, so I hope he likes it and I hope he's not mad. But yeah, it looks pretty sick though. Everything's even. Damn, that looks sick. All right, now that it's on, there's a whole bunch of, I don't know if you guys can see it, but fingerprints on the wing because I have been touching it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with Griot's Best Show Detailer, so it'll look a lot better. Alright guys, I couldn't find my hat, so I just put on my beanie. Because my hair is kind of messy right now because it's early in the morning, but I'll show you guys how it looks right now that everything's on and cleaned.